Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hi, welcome to this flower drawing tutorial. Today we will be drawing a simple beautiful flower. Start by grabbing a pencil, scissor and some paper. First draw a small circle in the middle of the page. This will be the center of your flower. Now draw a larger circle around the small one, but lightly as it's just a guide. Next we will begin drawing the petals. Start at the edge of the small circle. Draw a curved line outward to form the shape of the petal. Bring the line back to the center of the flower, creating one petal. Repeat this process around the center, evenly spacing the petals.